Okay, when putting the trim on the center console, I want to point out a couple things. As you can see, this lip here, that will force it more outside or more inside. So we prefer to run it on the outside so that the inside has this piece. So what happens is it makes it less of a grab point when you hit your arm on it or whatever. It doesn't try to peel it up. So I prefer to do it that way. It doesn't really matter. It just swells it out a little bit more, but it can catch. So especially if you run like paint and clear coat, you're talking 4 or even 6, 8 coats. So it could get real fat, so it can start swelling that out. With the wrinkle coat, it seems to work out really good. So what we like to do, we only put it on 3 sides, and so we just start in the corner, push it down real hard. You can push it down. Much easier to use a little rubber mallet. So what you're going to do is just go every little bit and just start it. Then you can come back, just lightly tap on it, make a nice even. Okay, so when you get to this point, we don't cut it. If you're real careful, you can roll it and just keep playing with it, and you'll be able to get it to where it'll be one piece. But you don't want to go too far and leave this up, because then it won't be able to turn the corner. If you bang on it, it'll just bend the piece underneath, and it won't work out very well. It'll never fold properly. So it just take a little bit time, and you'll be able to get it right. Make it a nice form there. There you go. And then just carry on, fold it around, come down.